You know what's funny is that all my go-to recipes are now the Starbucks copycat recipes that I made trying to copycat Starbucks, and now they're the best recipes that I found. So today we're making banana bread, which just so happens to be a Starbucks copycat recipe. 2 cups flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Oh, and 1 cup of sugar, but always add a little bit less. Whisk this all together and then add 1 egg. You're supposed to add the wet and the dry separately and then combine them in, but obviously we're not gonna do that. We need about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 egg is already inside. Also, when I read it back, we're supposed to mix the wet with the sugars. I didn't do that, but it's all good. And then 1/2 cup of oil. I'm using avocado. 2 tablespoons buttermilk or regular milk. I just made a little well in the center and I'm mixing all the wet ingredients first together. I'm also supposed to have 3 ripe bananas, but I only have 2, so we're making it work. Add in 2 smashed, really ripe bananas. Smash them up, add them, fold them again. Add in 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Technically they're walnuts at Starbucks, but I prefer pecans. Chop a few extra because we're gonna put some on top. We need a greased and floured muffin tin, just trust me. I'm pressing hard. It's just a stream. Sprinkle your leftover nuts right on top. My neighbor came over for a hot sec and I was definitely not gonna record in front of them. So bake it at 325 for 45 to 60 minutes. It really depends. Doesn't it look beautiful? Let it cool just slightly and then we're gonna dump it out onto a cooling rack. Okay, the moment of truth. Everybody cross their fingers. No! Okay, plan B. Careful. Beautiful. Okay, now let it fully cool and then we can slice it up. We did it! Taste test.